Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer an NFT from MetaMask to OpenSea. Now the key thing to understand is that OpenSea itself doesn't hold your NFTs. Instead, it connects to your wallet, like MetaMask, to display and manage them. So transferring really means making sure your NFT is in the right wallet that's connected to OpenSea. First, open MetaMask and check your NFT section. If the NFT you want isn't visible, you may need to add it manually by using the contract address. Once it's there, you don't have to move it anywhere else. Simply head over to the OpenSea website, connect your MetaMask wallet, and your NFT will automatically appear under your profile's Collected tab. If you do want to send your NFT to a different account that you'll connect with OpenSea, go into MetaMask, select the NFT, choose Send, and paste the recipient's wallet address, confirm the network, and approve the gas fee. After the transaction is complete, log into OpenSea with that wallet, and you'll see the NFT ready to manage, list, or sell. That's it! Your NFT is now visible and usable on OpenSea through MetaMask. Subscribe the channel for more videos.